July 30th, 40 degrees, and we found some chironomids. So popping on the water are some pupa, 12-ish 2X, maybe 10 2X. So we caught a couple fish, sampled them, and that's why it's important to sample. So lots of bomber chironomid larvae, greenworms, I guess. So we're going to change up and see if that helps with our catch rate.
This is one of the very first bloodworms that we learned to tie, and I'm grateful that I was able to dig one out of the box because the green version really did a great job of representing those green bobber bloodworms that were coming off today. A couple other great bloodworm patterns that we have lots of success with are the KFC and our BW2. If you're a tyer, the recipes are on the YouTube channel. If you're a buyer, both of these are available in the store, and you really can't go wrong with either of them.
Okay, so we went with Graham's greenworm. So that's a green version of Graham's bloodworm. That's an acetate floss tie, and quite successful. Did some samples though, and by that time they were on the pupa or the larva, about 50-50, so it really didn't matter. Had some good success fishing either of those flies. Stayed with the Graham's green version of the bloodworm on one line, used the hot chocolate bomber version on the other, the copper rib version, and then it went off like a light switch, which is common in those situations.
The hot chocolate's a good chironomid pupa pattern when those dark brown or brownish red pupa are coming off. Again, if you're a tyer, you can find the recipe on the YouTube channel, and if you're a buyer, they're available in the store.
Just one thing to mention on hot days like this, try your best to play the fish fast and make sure they're fully recovered before releasing them. We saw a couple of floaters on the water today. We don't know for sure if that's why, but it's probably the case that a few fish were overplayed and under revived before being let go. So just be aware of that in this hot weather.
And speaking of hot weather handling, here's 2 essentials you really don't want to forget on a day like today. That's it for Quick Tips 3. Tight lines, folks, and we'll see you next time.